Hey, it's Shelly, and today is National
Microwave
Oven Day. Microwave ovens were invented, back in 1945, and to celebrate the microwave oven, we're gonna make peanut brittle, but I'm gonna add in some little red, green, and yellow sprinkles in mine. And then Thomas, he's gonna make Rocky Road, and I don't know what he's gonna do to make his festive because he only got white marshmallows. So we're gonna put everything together and then see if we can make this, because it's my first time making it. And then also, if you want the recipes, just go to all the recipes, because it's really not about the recipes, it's about the microwave. And we're gonna see if we can make these things in a microwave, like like some people have said. So we'll be right back. Okay, so we're gonna put everything in our bowls that we need to put in our bowls. Then we're gonna microwave whatever needs to be microwaved, and then hopefully, we can get to the finished product. So now I'm going to put my mixture in. It has the sugar, the corn syrup, and butter in here. It says for like 3 to 5 minutes, so that's what I'm going to, get those. So I'll do 5 to start off with. See how that works. Okay. So now it's almost done. Okay, so in the mixture, it's a half a teaspoon of vanilla. I mean, a half a teaspoon of vanilla.
It smells like popcorn.
Yeah. And then, oh, it smells like alcohol.
And then, oh, that's gonna. What does that do?
Okay, well here's the rocky road.
It looks good.
Yeah.
I guess when it hards, it'll probably be better.
Yeah.
Looks like what is it called?
So we just let it sit.
Straight apples.
But there you have it.
Road.
2 easy recipes that you can make with the microwave oven. Peanut butter brittle and rocky road.
Oh, mine is hard. Ooh, and look, it's cool enough to break.
Ooh. Oops, she's gonna break a piece. Oh, wow. Dang, that did. Wow.
Yay.
Good stuff.
I have a piece.
You got a piece? Is it good? Yeah, peanut butter brittle. That's really good for your teeth. Good stuff, huh? And so this is National.
Microwave Oven Day.
So stay tuned for more videos and happy holidays.